This screencast will walk you through the steps to creating a VoiceThread for an assignment within your Blackboard course. The first thing to do is to find the link within your Blackboard course. It will usually have this VoiceThread icon next to it. Click on that link. After a few seconds, VoiceThread should launch on its own. Once I get to this menu, the first thing I do is read through instructions that my instructor has provided. That will tell me how many slides to put in and how many comments to put in. Then I go down to this selection here, Create New VoiceThread. I click on that, and there are 3 steps to creating a VoiceThread presentation. The first step is to add the media, the second step is to comment, and the third step is to submit or share the VoiceThread with your class. So here in the Add Media section, I can either drag files into this section, or I can click here on this menu. I can do a webcam video or photo. I can add an audio recording. There are some built-in media sources within VoiceThread, or most often you're going to pick a file from your computer. I can pick a PowerPoint slide presentation, I can pick a document, I can pick a PDF, I can pick pictures. In this case, I'm going to pick a sample document, and when I click open here, VoiceThread will begin loading my document into VoiceThread. It will create 1 slide for each page of my document or each slide of my PowerPoint presentation. While it's doing that, I'm going to give my VoiceThread a title here in the Thread Settings box. When I am done doing the title, I click Save, and I can see that VoiceThread has loaded my document. Here's the title of my document, and I can edit that title here if I don't like it. For each VoiceThread slide, I can edit it or I can delete it. As I move around here, I can see that I got an extra slide that is a blank page. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that by clicking on this trash can icon. And VoiceThread wants me to confirm that, yes or no, and so yes, I'm going to delete it. If I want to add a different slide from a different media source, I can click on the Add Media and I'll get those choices again. I can also rearrange slides within my VoiceThread presentation by clicking and dragging them into a new arrangement. So that's my first step, adding media. My second step is commenting. Click on the comment button and the slides will be loaded within the VoiceThread presentation. If I move my cursor down here to the bottom middle of the screen, I see a menu here, the Make a Comment menu. When I click on that, I get all these choices of how I can make a comment. Text, phoning in, audio, video, or uploading a web source, a URL. Text is the easiest type. You just put your sample text into the comment box and save. Once that's loaded, a thumbnail with either your photo or initials will be loaded on the side here, and you can scroll over that to see the comment. If I do not like that comment, I can delete it here. I could also edit it if there was something I forgot in that comment. To get to the next slide, I go down to the lower right and I click on the Advance Slide icon. Here is my next slide. I could do a different comment method on this slide. So for example, if I want to use the audio commenting function, first VoiceThread will ask for permission to access my system's microphone and camera. So I go ahead and I click Allow, and then I get a countdown. Hello, this is a sample comment. If I choose to draw on my slide, I can click on this pencil icon, choose the color I want, and point to, by using my cursor, I can point to something specific on the slide that I would like the class to note. And then I stop recording. Hello, this is a sample comment. If I choose to draw on my slide, so VoiceThread will automatically play the comment back for you, and you can check the sound quality, check to make sure how you like it, if it's got all the information you need, and you can keep it, you can save it, or you can delete it and start again. So you can cancel or save. when I go back over my thumbnail here, if I clicked on this, the comment will play. Hello, this is a sample comment. And I can just stop it there. Again, I can delete it. I could add a reply also if I wanted to. And I go through and do this for every slide by advancing through the slides of my presentations. I make a comment on each slide. This line at the bottom will tell you how long the comment is. So on my previous slide, my comment was 19 seconds long. That's a way for you to double check the length of your total presentation. When I am done commenting, I go up to the upper right and click on the X to get out of the presentation. My final and most important step is to submit the assignment. I can preview it here if I want to take one more look at it. And here's the Submit button. If the class needs to see it, I need to check this and Share with Class button. If it is only private between you and the instructor, you do not need to check that button. The instructor will usually give you direction as to if the whole class needs to see your VoiceThread or not. So it's really important, if they do, to make sure you check that button. So I'm going to go ahead and check that, and then I'm going to submit the assignment. And it's done. To get back into my Blackboard course, I click on Return to Course, and then I go back in. So I hope you find that helpful in terms of creating a VoiceThread presentation, and good luck.